Elizabeth Morissette from the Museum of Art, Fort Collins. I'm here with artist Sean O'Mealy, and he's going to tell us a little bit about a workshop he's going to be doing for us at the end of February.
I'm looking forward to this workshop. I have a history as a toy inventor, and the workshop is going to be about what it takes to make a toy idea, how to convey it to somebody who might want to buy the idea and take it to market. And we'll be using some crafting materials, some coloring and things like that. We'll think through the process, and I'll share my experiences, and hopefully we'll get to something that looks like a fun toy to have.
And this workshop will be for all ages, and you can register for it on the Museum of Art website.